Volga.
Hi, I'm
IB
Paul
Masters
Volga.
Learning Center,
IB Masters Learning Center.
and today we're going to look at the eighth
Digital
question
SAT
from
test. Digital SAT test.
module twos
Two
from the harder
module
set of
twos from the
reading
harder set
questions.
of reading and writing questions.
Number 8 reads,
According to the text, what is true
according
about
to the
mother?
text, what is
So this
true
is
about
pretty
mother?
generic.
So this is pretty
reading comprehension
generic
question.
reading comprehension
So
question.
just gotta read and answer the
Gotta
question.
read
Still
and
always
answer
read the
question.
question.
Still always
first.
read the question
You wanna
first.
see what we're looking
You
for.
wanna see what we're looking
Again,
for.
pretty generic.
Again,
The
pretty
intro.
generic.
The
Following
intro.
text is adapted from
Following
Edith
text is adapted from
Nesbit,
Edith
1906
novel,
1906 novel,
Children.
Railway Children.
And the paragraph reads.
Mother did not spend all her time paying dull visits to dull ladies and sitting dully at home waiting for dull ladies to pay visits to her. She was almost always there, ready to play with the children, read to them, and help them do their home lessons. Besides this, she used to write stories while they were at school, and read them aloud after tea. And she always made up funny pieces of poetry for birthdays and other great occasions.
So let's see what's true about mother.
Let's see what's true about mother. We need to look at our answer choices.
Answer is A.
She wishes more ladies would
That's
visit her.
clearly not
correct.
in the beginning, mother did not spend all her time
sitting dully at
waiting
home, waiting
the
for
ladies to pay visits to her.
ladies
That's
to
probably
pay
the most
visits to her.
obvious.
That's
That's
probably
probably
the
the
most
most obviously wrong one. Sounds like
She feels like old people are dull.
old people are dull.
A little bit better.
Younger people a little bit better.
Answer is B.
Okay.
Answer is B.
Birthdays were her
favorite special
Now she
occasion.
probably did love.
birthdays.
They
might
have been her favorite special occasion.
But watch out for this.
But watch out for this.
If it doesn't say it's her favorite,
It doesn't say it's her favorite.
Then we can't choose
So
that.
she always made up funny
pieces of poetry
for their birthdays,
for their birthdays and other great occasions.
Like those other great occasions.
Maybe she liked them better. Maybe she liked New Year's better.
Something like that.
So answer is B. We
Answer
cannot say
is
it's
B.
her
We
favorite.
cannot
Does
say
not
it's
say
her
it's her
favorite.
favorite.
Does not say it's her favorite.
Answer is C. She creates
Answer is C.
stories.
She
and
creates
poems
stories
for
and
her children.
poems
That
for her
looks
children.
solid.
That
Why?
looks solid.
Because
Why?
it says she
Because it
always
says
she
funny
always
pieces
made
of
up funny
poetry.
pieces of poetry.
That's the poem part.
And did she create stories? She used to
Write stories for them.
Write stories
while they're at
for them.
school.
So stories and poems.
So stories and poems
are both there.
And they are children.
Over here it says they're children.
So
answer is C.
So answer is C.
That's going to be our best answer.
That's going to be our best answer.
Let's make sure we can eliminate D. Reading
To
her children.
is her
favorite
activity.
Again,
Activity.
is reading her favorite.
Again, is reading her favorite.
We'd have to see. It would have to
say
say that it's her favorite.
And
it does not. It says that she read to them.
It says that she read to them
and helped them do their home lessons.
Maybe she took greater joy in helping them do their home lessons and reading. It doesn't say.
It doesn't say.
So D is wrong. Don't assume anything.
Don't assume anything.
All your answers there.
All your
in the
answers
text.
there.
C is your
in the
correct
text.
answer.
C is your
Thank you
correct
for joining
answer.
us today. If you like this video, share it with someone who has difficulty with reading comprehension. If there's any question you'd like to answer, from an official ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. And check out that 1 minute video,
which are
below these videos. So
you're
YouTube test 2
in
module
YouTube
2
test 2
module 2
reading,
be the
writing
hard
questions,
set.
reading, writing
And below these
questions.
longer videos,
And
we've
below
got
these
1
longer
minute
videos, we've got 1 minute
Check
videos.
those out.
Check those out.
Makes sense to you without
Makes
watching
sense
them.
to you without
Longer
watching
video,
them.
you're good.
Longer video, you're good.